this is going to be the first step in my long project of building this pool cabana. So here's just to give you an example of all the wood that was delivered. Yes, a little over like 2.5 tons of wood. And so just a walkthrough here, just kind of showing you, here's the cedar wrapping, the different fascia. So there's a lot there that needs to be sorted and moved. And then some of the underlying things. Here's the joists, which are 2x10s, if I remember. They're 12 feet. Here's all the siding and the soffits. More of like the studs, the 2x4s. Here's the 2x6s from the support wall. Here's the external door. And then on the ground, you'll see a lot of the brackets, the hardware. They give shims, everything you need, blocking between the wood. There's like the door header, and then you get a lot of extra scraps that you can use just for support, things like that. Then there's the roof, the wall, the plywood. There's all that, everything you need to build this. And then I just want to show a picture of some of the plans, just to give you an idea of how detailed they are. Inventory, what it should look like, any little pieces that help. Then you get the color when you're actually wrapping the beams, and you can see all the dimensions of the building. It's nice that they have everything, the wood's all pre-cut, and then they have great directions. So see the walls, you see the directions or the sizes, the headers up there, and then once you get to the sheathing, you can work on that. Have the inventory, which is actually helpful as well, just kind of correlate between the two, and then directions on each page about the sheathing, putting the walls, and once you get them together, everything to that point. So by the end of the first day here, I've been able to get most of the wood moved to the back. I just spent the first time unloading it. It took like about an hour and a half for myself and 2 other guys, some hourly guys, to kind of help. About an hour and a half, I said, to unload the whole truck, but it was a lot. I got 12 by 14. So my goal was to just move this finishing wood, all the cedar, just because I want to leave it out here by the road. I'm trying to move it all to the back and kind of rough sort it. So I still got a pile here to go. Started at 10 a.m. and it's 5:30. That's a little bit more. The rest of this is just kind of dimensional lumber, so probably leave it out. So I'll show you the back. So this is where I've been walking it with the help of a wheelbarrow. It's about 200 feet or so. Just coming through here, you can see kind of just working on and off roughing. I would get, so I got them to help. I had the helpers here, just because it's just me, but I had the helpers move the big support beams, because those are gotta be a couple hundred pounds. So just kind of put a couple of the plywood here, roughed in, just attempting to see, kind of working through the logistics here of how I'm going to put everything out. Most of the time I've been spent, again, rough sorting, so getting 2x4s here, that's like double top plate, some other pieces, some of the studs here, more studs of the 2x4 studs, some pieces I'm not really sure where they are yet. You can see it's obviously here we go, the pressure treated lumber that's going to be sitting along the sill is obviously there. So again, these are actually all extra pieces, so they give you a lot of extra. It's going to be nice for support and things. It's like 2x4 by 16 or so. You'll be shocked, at least I was shocked, at the amount of siding. So this is all siding here, all this nice western red cedar. So I try to, again, kind of rough sort it into, there's all the same here. There's some other additional pieces here. It's all the same type of siding. Again, some random pieces here, but I try to break it up into pieces. So when I go to use it, I'll know this is, I think, strapping. There's a lot of that as well. It's hard to get a perspective of how much there is here. You can see all this up here. And then I'm using a wheelbarrow. So I try to take as much as I can without tipping it. This is more of the exterior, more this, like around the fascia and stuff. So again, I'm trying to rough sort this as I get it. I'm just doing it by width, because I seem like there happen to be a couple different sizes. This looks like about 9 inch or so, and about 7, 6.5. Anyways, I'm just trying to figure it out. So that's, again, using up almost my whole pool area, but I got just about all of it sorted, so I can start working through these. Well, remember, is in there, it's a board, so you know where it's going to be, where a door is, and something like that, and you nail it like that. The screws in the correct place. So you head down to the side of the door, you see it's going to be lined up just enough room to put it over here. Again, here is going to be the step going up, and the step, and just enough room here to bolt and a screw. If you screw, that's the screw and washer. So it's still lined up, and the other one also lined up here, and you see where your screw is 16 inches on the center, and you put the line, so that way, there's the top one, so, and also then, it's square, put the sheeting on, board there, and then the tip up. You start nailing all the stuff here, 2 fits in there, loaded, the matter of these, the pressure treated, so it's all nice. Yeah, 16 8, Just one, obviously, full actually nailing the way first and on the other side. Easy. The thing you do is everything you do mid corner square rack lumber as a machine on the square and so here. 175 and 5. Nail, you want to lie it down, keep your moving, square up, move up there, it's very hard to get for your sheet on the ground, so lay up there, square. I did right before I did. The plywood will be sitting right on the plywood. I know the next one it had to have a set of label. Down here, I may get some with double check here for the engineer document how we want to keep the nails after the section. So first of all, have to that heating nails, got those 4 cents on the edges, 34 inches on the edges, and then in the field, not only is the studs, it'll be 12 inches on the how we can take one of these nails and reshank the golden plywood. Just pretty machine. Oh, sign down there. One last check the field. We're going to change the way go down each slide. So I can move this again. Right here. This is the square of the job now. Okay, I didn't along the much more. All three cans in here, all down, okay. So I'm going to lift up and go vertical. So actually, this is me, I'm just not going to get it. So I'm going to lift up vertical, and I want to tip over. So somewhere around all these pieces, because we get a lot of 16 pieces, I just need a jigsaw on the device. It's up against that one, the wall, you'll hit against there, wall, so that's the problem, you'll wiggle and just have to have a vertical side. So the idea is that I'm going to tip over, and then the screws lined up, the holes which have screws on. So let's try this. It's easier to start out the so we can try to dip where in the Alright, so we do all four of them. Okay, so got the door framed out. First thing is going to figure out the wall. First one is it's important to see it. The depth of the walking there. It's lined up. When the is doors down. So the header across there. So that you have that here. Go up. Second header go down. So then put the couple sets here. The top goes right there. Just like this, we're going to frame in the middle. When it's now, it's not straight. So I'm going to come out quarters. I do that. So I can work it. I'm trying to move it right from the side. It makes it so small. I'm trouble. You know, you work it. I'm saying I'm trying to put on parsing force. Lady, she can plywood. Nail down on and then use the rest of the able. Try to twist it before you do the vertical. If you can nail on here, so this force just hold on. And then move the part you hold on and then grab the set of the frame and have you separate. Hold this. Ooh, it's going to hold it. Even though the point is going to get straight up. Actually, it's going to be a 4 inch away. It's 3 inches. She needs 14 that will wrap around the inside. The sides, 2 inches inside the side. She needs. I'm going to fix this. 64 inches. Come up and then that's what locks in both sides. Got first day, got three walls up. I draw flat in the plywood. And here's everyone's flat. The way it stands is the wall right here. The post will come up, and the beam will go across the wall. The front wall here has a built section with 4 by 6. The beam will insert line up there on both sides. And then we have post here, and between there'll be a beam. These are large beams that go down. And these things go down 2 pounds each. They're 6 by 6. That was 9 feet. That was 9 feet. That runs from here to there. And the last one is almost 12 feet. Will be 12 feet. And it's about 6 on. As this one is made, we'll let the actually the half plywood go around to the 3/4 overhang. But we're supposed to do that with 2 by 4. Stuff like there, and then use the 1/2 wide half-inch pressure treated plywood at the bottom that goes 3/4 here, and then the 3/4 overhang. I'll bring that like this here, plywood, but we need pressure treated touching. So I mark a inch and a half all the way around the bottom here, and taking off, cut it off, and then reversing. So working on the last wall here is the 2 by 6 wall up. It's going to be running crazy the load. It's board. So it's all 2 by 6 one thing nice and then it's all built up. So that's the get away with 4 and then the here. So mark out, see mark out, see how they mark out the center ways. None of this is all the same time. Same thing on the street side. So it's just like all the walls are the same. The holes, mark the holes come through, mark which is correct. Finish this wall up. One thing I did was finish the holes, mark 2 tight on the side here, and open it up. And this way really perfectly. Hopefully really next hard. Swing up the wall, perfectly. Takes a little bit of room. But anyways, I didn't cut out 4 beam here. Beams up to 6, 4, 6 that wide, and 12 this way. Just this beam right here. So I'm going to cut this 2 by 6 top here on both sides and the pocket. What I'm noticing different is the sheathing with plywood walls on the other side here. And so there's a lot of room, really good way of putting one side and turning over, just pressing it along. I'll beams and everything, so I'm just going to end up pushing up with the plywood side on it, and just the other one. What is up only, but very good alternative here. One thing I do before is to raise this up onto a platform starting screw the bolts up, so when it goes to lift up, it goes down and fall down onto the there. You can grab it and line up, and I'm going to the box and go, and the box goes up, the wall and beams right down on the top. So I'm setting them all together, up there, it's still like casting on and raise it up. There's going to double check measurement here. So 11 feet. Right, that's 1 8 over, perfect. The beams are just under 6 inches. Just under, it's the way you measure it, 5 centimeters. The big squash, just under 6 inches, so 8 inches. So now, we'll actually label size, maybe we'll have about 6 inches. inside the floor, so covered. This is the inside so they against the two force here, just through. So down, so up, all around, then you can just take a lap, fall down, we're going to access. People, right there, working on the last wall here, the two up, running crazy the load. It's working. So it's all nice and good. All built up. So taking the ways at 4 and then here. So mark out. See mark out the center ways. Another really all the time. I see the street side. So it's just like all the walls are the same. For the holes, mark through, mark is correct. Finish the wall up. One thing I did was make the holes mark right side here. Put it up. This way is really not perfectly. Go through there. Swing up, take one, just a little room. I was cut out. 4 being there, being just 4 that way, and 12 this way. Just this right here. I'm just going to cut this 2 by 6 top here on both sides of the pocket. What I'm noticing difference is the sheathing with plywood walls on the other side here. And so there's a room, a good way of putting one side and turning over, just pressing it along. I've got the beams and everything, so I'm just going to end up pushing up with the plywood side on it, and just the other one. What is not really, but very good alternative here. One thing I do like before is to raise this up onto a platform, start and screw the bolts up, so when it goes up, it's going down and fall down onto it, just turn it out there. You put it right in there. Line up, and I'm going to the box and go, and the box goes up to go, the wall and being spread down on the top. So I'm putting them together, up there, it's still like line, and raise it up. There's going to double check here. So, 11 feet. Right, that's 1 over, feet, perfect. The beams are just under, spend where you measure it, 5 centimeters, so, the beams go just even under. So now, we'll actually label size, we'll wrap it 6 feet, so down, so up, all around, then you can just take a lap, fall down, we're going to access. People, right there, working. Just you can just the direction of the out just in the frame around there and you can pocket so pocket one king here and there so there's the other machine level out there it's got a really fall so this part is to what I'm going to can be the pocket is working so we can follow there's engineering structure here and there's obviously engineering on the other just the topic I'm going to see physics questions for you for your project and see how this is what you need to get from just as most of the questions the longer you down so I have two topics is what you being here at the end here but there's also the topic there this is the king right here this is how also going to the topic here and we need to these two sides is what's looking on the side so these those sides partially this is easy to put down the other quarters with the actually these one number build down there as well. So you can see from this is the joist wall facing the concrete pole. These are the up there, the joist as well. The other side as well. Connected with the 2 4 side. So you can see what this is kicking. You know, moving out, so the roofing down there. You know, there's mapping out obviously the top plate up there, both sides as well. So now I'm trying to bring the rest of the plywood outside. It's still here. So just tapping on just briefly as you get down the side. What I'm going to do is put blocking behind it. As you can see, I'm going to have to blocking. We're going to work on 16 inches across. As you can see, I'm 2 million. Okay, so this is just in there. I just put this one there, and then at the end, this is what I'm going to do. Get it slowly over this here. I just want to just do facing up first, a little easy time. This is actually a little bit, just sticking on the edge. Because now the blocking is nice, obviously, you know, this, and then try to do it, that's not what we're doing. Thank you all here. This is here back now, I'm going to first hit that sense. Now I can get back into the 16 right here. So just the blocking function back in the top. Section I cut off the detail right there, and this other pocket beam, just this all right there. I'm going to see how long that's going to be. Slip inside, down to that side, which is this. Slip kind of like this, level there, and then you have to it and cut down the shape. I'm just going to apply that first. So you see this all down here. This is the high side, this will be up here. When you got, you see all blocking down here. You see 2 by 4 centimeters, all around here, it's all done. This is kind of like the long time. And that's here. See, okay, right at the other. Just look around the side. Just kind of a little bit of being switched. Take an additional line up there, and there, and we'll cut that thing. And then there's an angle pull up, you can see right now. I'll go on top of that. Actually 200 degrees, we'll match that 200 degrees. You can go down, we'll go in and put it down. So it's just down here. So I'm going to put it the holes where the beam will go both sides. The beam will go here. And then come down there. Here. And then so the next thing to do is drill a hole. The original thing should go through. That's actually 2 screws in the bracket. You don't know. I'm seeing a half-inch masonry bit. This is a drill supports has a remote. Has a remote. So it goes in. But it's drill down the hole, and then you cut it down. This collar comes up inches every inside of each hole in the concrete. So see the drill this out and right out. So I'm going to get a little hole drilled out to put this in. Nail it down. Because spark outside is not right over there. I'm in here. Let's go up. Let's provide this truss block that's in there. And keep the width off the. You can see on that one. It's enough to keep it. It's 3 quarters inch, so yeah, almost an inch off. Bring it a lot longer. So they're putting that's a and temporary hold on the house going up. It's not too big a lot or anything. And a little bit of complexity is that might be using this beam not being wrapped, so it's supposed to be wrapped. And so what you guys have to possible, it's really through into it. That's great. Just a little power down here and screw into that just so that the nail first one goes up. And then measuring this level in this way. Stick the 21 centimeters on the other side. And then with the tie with them, the other goes to give some additional dimensional support. I'm going to stick it around here and run down the side. I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to do a little bit more, but I'm going to do 0 to 1. Stick down. Stick in. Original measure. That's straight. Okay, touch foot ahead in a minute. On the beams over here, cross and then level at the bottom, and just around the bottom. Around the so just cross a minute. Very nice square, so we can plate it nice. Finish looking tight. So it might be keeping exposed, and you can see on the bracket. So decide to do that all around all 4 sides. Just be this way and get another way. And then issue with the pole. Both sides here. Push down. Just bring a little bit I'm just going to check and measure. See how close this elbow stands up. Finishing it. And we're doing 16. So level. Just a little bit of so now the deep up there. So that's not big enough. It's sort of around the base. So just bring it over now. I'm going to go ahead and screw this in so that I got a little bit extra support. So get these line bolts to go in. The 3 inch. So just about the other one. And we have to stop here. So I'll try to get the top of this. Go ahead and the other one. It's pretty basic stuff. Just put in here. And I'll swing the other side. Don't worry. Check them all the way down. So there we go. 4 line bolts in there. I can have this. No, I want to around. Try and cut around there. You have to have a support stone base. So it's line there. You can finish this. Well, that's wet. I know it is. It's in here, then ball. That's it. That's it. Japanese FPS screws here. All in here. And then pre-drill this right away. Probably okay. Ready. Zero lift from the wiggles. That's about 4 hours. And some insurance lines like that. I'm going to use it for. There's a base. There's a pound. You will attach it all around sideways. Also, we will back from the down. I've used it before, like anything. First time, when I set it out, change the function, basically lowering it, with some weight on it, after 9 years, that's it for you to go. Get a level. Down. Shoot it ready. Take note that all the way to tipping. Just put it actually. Yeah, I think there's a hold on here. Okay, and just slowly lift this. And just lift this here. Over here, as you try to get the lever action, and then each one of these steps will be able to also do hydrogen and capture on the side. So four capture again, sides when we do is like the beam, lift it up, and lift it above the roof line, and then move it over 8 inches or so, and drop it in, drop it on the side. So when it's at that level, we try to lift it down, move around, or start shooting it like it's very dangerous. What I did was literally board, and I love it, my pancake, like I'm going to mark, that's the mark, I put it down back here, and then what I did was once I mark here, and then I measured this is the time where all the parts out, and I mark it again perfectly level. I'm going to try it out, so I do, you know, it's going to be lift it straight up, and then I get up over top. I'm going to try that through it, just brought in the side, just moving all over, and then on the side, I'll drop in to the right. Center. Going up, going here, letter 2. This is 400,000 for 19 feet. So I have no knitting. You will see as it sticks up here, it's also just the I feel like it's pretty easy to see. Here, first one, second one, being also side of the quick, after the roll, turn slowly. Put it in now, off, screw a little bit, yeah, we get it in the both sides, hang out in the all in there, it's just a big all in. When you're set up, actually, this is all. Right, so one down, you're gonna, like, change hold it, and just roll screws in there, So both these up now. But anyway, I did. Is I a little bit one, 3 square meters. Kind of in place, just from the other side for. So I'm trying to get the square meters. Everything's level. So we're on this one next. Measure the distance of the 13 quarter. Then just got the top of the inside. It's average. I know space out a little bit, but 35 a little bit. We're going to put in there. Like 4 inches. They go on there. So everybody just put it in there. Get all square and all inside. I had to put it up on some seal blocks. Post it off. Just not get under. Little bit so you can get the clearance. So it's going to be 3 4 inches. So it's 5 now. And just enough. I had to put on 2 4s. 2 4 inside. So I think it's just so it'll be a little bit harder. But that was really good. Sorry, we're going to tell it which of the two being for the right there. So I give this one a little shot, just lower in the make it a little flush, the other side is make it all square, and then take a little. Oh, like 20 inch, that's pretty good. I need to be right off. So just make it square again, so it's a little. So just going to the calculator, just only one of these, takes the block in. So I'm going to work. Where's the calculator? Whenever you return, the lift, perfect. Switch, stick where I need it. I'm sure it doesn't seem to be easy to have a couple of lift, and the beam's 90 in the air, but working. We're pretty sure we're going to do the beams today. I'm not sure why. We're going to do much. Just climbing down the ladders. But well, what do we do today? So we're going to the beams. I'm going to for the roof of the roof. We're following the plans here. Laying out the markings of the extremities. 2 by 8, 2 by 10, 2 by 10. I have a couple more here. Lay them off the fan here. So mark them off. Both sides of the line up. So let's see. You can see if I plan on those. Starting at here's the storage area. Then here's the beams. So I'm starting off 20 inches off. Doing double beams, single, double. And they're all on center. So I'm marking out here. 20 inches off double. We for this one wall. Each one of these work my way over to the storage area. And I end up to 20 inches off. Over there. So very careful. So there's single marking there. Double joist there. I think I showed before we get to the final slope here. And it's still in like 15 inch here. But I nailed it off from the spiral nails. 2 nails. Same on the other side. The slope that matches that. This sort of roof, and it's actually they built this off this inside so just never just too high. So the old joist marked off. See the tile. We're slowly moving down. You know, the joist. And turn over and get the roof sheeting and the roof. Oh, 25 inches all the wall. The ceiling. If you look at the it's there. So we're getting into the my marker for the first one. To be close. So I think I should be double the first. When you look at the overhang 2 feet, there's overhang inside here. And we have here this overhang. Take a look here so I measure the overhang here. That's the same side. And also, slightly marked. I'll give it the bevel. You can see the square here. That's not. You have that angle. I need to get the roof pitch. So if you want to get the double, then you have it. I'm going to be sitting out in there. This side will be perfect. And the final roof will like layout. Since we're going to put out, they'll do your own there. So you there. So here's the outline. So here's the 22 and 1/2 inch overhang. On each side, I can make the 22 overhang. And I that. This thing's right. So I can do 2 3. This one on the other. Just kind of lay them out there for 4 sides. It's like all the single beams up so far. Don't look at so I'm right and it's all the outside ones. So part of the beam, I'll do the outside and then I'll see one thing I noticed is I'll measure correctly. When I held the 6 foot level, when I put across the other side, I was going to take a little bit and the same size in so I'm just going to take a couple of I got a couple nails across 2 inches, 1 inside. As a I'm just one place moving. I was going to be able to make sure flushing outside and I'm set up and joist on there. And waiting plywood cut it also. I don't know. Nails are 3. So I'm going to each one is 3 doubles. Switch back to 16 nails. This thing did. I was hard to see better for it. There's the layout here. Go there, everything is double. And the front and that plate is still on 2 boards. One's 87 and a half, and 30 and a half. So that was on the here is double joist. Right, across. So experiencing some temporary support here, and on the other hand, and then one here, so I can lay it out there on the edge, right close enough, and then work, and then just enough. Get them all, the edge joist here, set up correctly, I got the other joist fixed. So line up, and then nail off. The other side is all nailed off, so now I got the empty on this side. The other side, first, double top there, so the joist, one right, the joint, 2 long pieces on the side, short side, this is alternating, so this one right here, so the joint, right, double joist there, obviously, just all things on the same side. This is too high for my, okay, you're enough, anyway, I'll do the left in there, one here, one of those going to be in, so one again, so this joist short piece, so here, and the long piece over there, so this is one right here, 8 centimeters on the other, just what do you do? Notice this, very slightly elevated, the edge actually double, you put the nice right here, but that's what's up. It's also like, you can see what the edge is. Put on the side after now, see what's like, gonna hang out there. See that one, 2 corner. And there's so much in 3 feet of lay there that actually bent. So I just temporarily blocking a couple squares, so we'll have to go there, so I did was kind of the same way, like, so the back blocker, pieces, if you put a block, just put a block there, and just set it on there, or 2 inside, first, inside, up front back. You can see the other side, you can wrap them around, addition wise, explain about the bevel, so here's the support inside here, this is not bevel, it's sticking out, the straight off, just a little bit there, and then you notice, so let's just get that bevel down there. So this is why you need the bevel here, and on top of those bevels, we can break it down, so it's actually 3 other ends, but it's all different place. I'm noticing this just enough where I can drop down with it, so I can manually go in, it's all twisted. So obviously we can see down, if you twist it that way, it's not, that's the bevel, they go in one direction, so I think I'm gonna try is to get clamping here, so I get everything like this, just pull it square. Actually work. Yeah, that worked. You'll see this down the square now. There's some look down there for one length, but that'll fit this in there. This is flush out. So I just nailed this. Just nailed this. I started. You can see most of the batters down. Just joist, side joist. I'm going to need some work on the look here. We're going to bend it as the blocking. So between each one of the joists, the blocking is very all the squares that you start using on the other side. See them square possibly on the other side. Joist. Take a blocking. That's the portion. You just work into the double. Joist over there. I'm going to do it till everything else out. That's what else. Like that before. Just maybe stick here. So if you don't do this, sorry, just easy. I'll say cool. Maybe mistake is just be able to here. This is outside the look out the side joist. But I can lock in there. So I'll say cool. No problem. Maybe the drills for solid place. Got it inside. Yeah. Then it's not all. I'm not don't use this. I'm gonna decide. Just use it well, and then just pop nails out. So I'm trying to work on the look out. You see over there here, but the way the cross we're gonna do is the last right here. That's the one side of the there's gonna be pieces of rubber doing look out. I'm gonna get support by cantilevering across here. I'm also gonna be these as mentioned before. The hanger racks that go on here for all these pieces. This side inverted yours. I'm standing on the edge here. I'm gonna cantilever this way, push up so there's going to that portion. The push is nailing the normal. You can see on the side. I don't know so far. That line here is meaning 6 line. So these look out across. You support the outside edge of that one. You know that one. You support the beams. And I'm gonna go this way. There's a temporary blocking behind the straight. So I'll get one of these guys here. Take that out. Just take it and have the line show the middle. Knock that temporary block in there. It's gonna nail. You see the other here. We're gonna organize some of you. I'll get one end, the other, and just here. Let me see in here. So definitely the last beam here. And that's very much I have to. It's way you can see over here. Like that way. We're going to push it down here. That's the issue. But see that? Anyway, so there's nothing fixed. Also more. So you can go one nail over there. Just try to see how much I can do. We see on this like 3 weeks. Finish. Whoop. Up. Just gonna roof. Definitely the work on it. Feel like 2 clamps on here. Actually just a little bit here. Easy. Flat in. Let's go for system. Yeah, up here. I'm going to start nailing and putting the together. Let me so now. There's actually couple of plants just how we're squeezing it down. Actually, it's going all the way down here. And just bounce while plant. So I pressure down. Pull it down. Push it down. While plant. Hold it. That's all done. Now we're done. So I'm getting this way. That's the corner. One thing that I learned last time is put the double. Just this way. So I'm going to go pencil. Just to put these one in, put that one in, and it's squared out. This way. Bring it up parallel. Yeah, I think I found that we're going to know the corner there. It's this way. This is stronger. And then the first one. Okay, I'm just reaching one here. So use first. We're using the clamp there. For us. We're going to one hand. Marketing. Get one up one hand. The other hand. See what better. One there. Still cool. So hold the major frame down the roof. Here's the storage area. There is the back slopes down. So all the taking place here. See so standing on it. So that was pretty much done. This one's 2 bad CCs. Right here, purple and green. My foot is actually. Oh, sorry, that way. Purple and green. My foot is. So these blocking out there support the deck. And then extend. These lookouts are standing. The orange and blue. You can continue blocking all the way down there. So that's pretty fun. We're going to block here. It's pretty repetitive. So I'm going to do it. What we're going to do is just carrying this line from those lookouts there all the way across here. So I measure back the line, the other line, and then do my level straight to that line here. Work on one side down. So work the same direction as that. As you put a block here, you can end and then come on one side and then the next one is here. Again, you can end the line on that. And again, you have to go on the side. But it's a little bit quicker. Plywood 25 this one roof. Just kind of place the edge and a little more support over the edge. All right, finally finished. All the blocking. So much work. Easy to go. Let's go down. Corners do. Everything down. So sitting on the side. Everything's done. Basically blocking now. Lots and lots of the ties, the Joist hangers. So now we'll lock in the Joist hangers and get a strong ties there. So you can see the beginning nightmare of all these Joist hangers I think last here. There are just interjecting off a little bit. 40 Joist hangers. 6 here, that's 18. A double. You see how many nails you get and more of these strong ties. That's a lot of nails you get. Joist hanger board. All these holes that we built, including here into the joist. So one of you have to pound away with a hammer. Each one of those, they can find area. It's double here, so you can see. That's the 3 nails here, 2 into the joist, both sides. Starting this other one, but I'm going to do it inside my hand. Is all nail, you've never seen one before. So it has a little impact head inside there, and put a nail inside that. I'm going to do this one here. And it's going to be a dip. So you put it in there, and hold it this way. Alright, so you get this. Just put it in there, and press down, and it's going to impact it. Again, get it up against there. These as well. So maybe run 2, just CD brackets. So maybe 2 on the wrong should be on top to counteract the lever effect that we see here. So it's going to the which is no good way to get it out. There's so many in here. What I found, I tried to hit the screwdriver, twisted, you just can't get enough leverage that little corner yourself. What I found is if you use, let's see, maybe it's just like a small piece of water, you can use that as an effect. Getting the screwdriver in there, hitting so that it pushes away this way, and you get a lever effect widening it. So you get just enough. It's really flat, a little hard, but most of the music is perfectly flat. So I'm a small screwdriver, I can get in the edge, and try to do a little damage possible. You got to see it right here. So it's someone doing the screwdriver in there, and it's just in there, so that has to side it. Just enough to get in. Take a screwdriver. See that there's just enough right there. Take a screwdriver in a little more, you can build the screwdriver in, get enough. But then you came just my aspect side of it. Down. It's a little difficult. Trying to down towards it. These will do that 10 times. Because going back now doing the strong ties. What is these H25Z or hurricane ties? Hurricane strips. All this here. So there's quite a few down here, down here, down over there, we're seeing the building. Right here. So we put these in just for this. See, H25Z or hurricanes, these. But as I later so yeah, I'm going to work. So you see what it's like. There's as usual lots of things to put in. So there's 10 in total. We go in just like these are X. What we put in. So go in. What yours is you can put the wording on top here. Right here, see, it shows the where the plate is. So you line up you line up there and you do right. See the bottom you just have. Notice the top plate. So nails on top of the you know both top plates. You know, so both of them and also attached to the joist. Again, see the wording. So all the way to the slope again. Right here where it says lines up the top plate, and then it's sorry, and then it's towards the bottom. See the nail all over the joist. And then we have to go again. It's into the both plates. Then it's really not that hard to see. So it's normal. See in there. It's hard to hold the camera doing. It's just normal. Stand side, I'm just gonna do this. Just show you. And then as you go this way, they want these lookouts. Remember, this is on the wall, and you have lookouts. They want all these lookouts as well, all the joists. And then as they go outside, see the door down. Is every one of these joists needs to be tied. These will be tied to the top of the wall there. So all these fingers, 38 or something like that. So a lot more. Joy diversity. The joist, let's see on the back. 36, 380. So there's a lot of these. Get all the hurricane straps. Let's see, uncovered area. See over there, and all on the inside. So nothing about power, so not really bad. So again, 48. 5, which means right on this double looks like. This is back here. 48, 37, 70 this way. There's 4 windows and then almost 4 there. So I think I'll start doing this. This is the first hold on. I have 3 down way. I just got the nails. Okay, let me change. So down screws. You will extra hold down. Come through again. Maybe just the corners of the just do that. Come back to the nails. So I'm going to move here. So I'll do it. You're going to see the front of it. We're going to just start off left. Maybe the dimensions right here. We're going to go circle. So then we're going to screw it in. Right here. See the on the side. See the on the side. Just like that. Maybe the dimensions support. Okay. See right up the forward on the edge here. So you can imagine. So that's a little difficult. Getting your tongue and root in there. Just because of the perfect sound is not screwing in the edges. And then you can have some flexibility actually change these. Move these to the perfect. And then just a little bit there. It's 4. And just put it in there. And you can get that. Then you come to the next one. No problem. There's no tongue size. Let's do one side. That's a square. No, this is also just square. This is not stuff over here. This is over here. If nails to use, you can use this. I said mine yesterday. I'll do it. Yeah, so middle of what we're doing is I mean, first here's the last row of the thing, or the roof here. You need to go doing the edge of the nails, so you can get the last pieces in there. Easy. Remember, so what I did was load your pieces. I was loading up in the middle here. I'm going to ladder up. Go outside the ladder. If you can show you the only pieces up top. No, you put it in here, you can't. It's difficult to fit it into the and get all of them into the ladder up the sides. When you understand this, we roll down in the ladder in the middle. Everything goes up a little bit more difficult. Before you put it now, it's overhanging. A couple inches. I'm going to do step on it. 2 can nail in, so you got a little bit of like this. I'm just going to bring it at the end. Most of it. Unfortunately, 16 okay. So then you jump like this. Last thing to do, I started already. So this is the end of these. So we're going to left. Just need a 3 line all down here. So I can use a chuck. This is a nice ground. That'd be perfect. It's easier. Just look apart and then just drop the line to 0. Clean. So on all sides. So now, let's see what we're doing. That's the roof now done. I just structure here to show. I was like, here's you see the like half inch, or 6 very well, feet up. It's just right there, and putting there so on the side. So it's like on the bottom side, the temporary braces off. So it's all structured up there. So let's from underneath. You're looking so like the Joist Hangers. Let's get this covered down. We can keep all this getting around everywhere. Just inside here. So these will right now. I'll do the 2 foot overhang on every side. Maybe a little bit of covering it further here. It's probably a little dark, but that's okay. There's all the working inside. This will be a door we put in the doors afterwards. After the siding goes on. Sorry, there's 9.5 pieces. See that goes on. I'll actually this is 2 inches and a half, and then on top of that, so that's like that, and on top of that will be another 3 inch, and then the drip goes on top of that. On top of the end, finally, put the EPDM, not just the outer price roof. I'm trying to do that yet. I'm seeing structures, but I'm trying to do the ladders. Just trying to roll it, figure it out. I'll figure out everything else. I'll get stuff. So it's just look for the back from outside my house. You can see the pattern of the plywood on there. You can see the perspective lines. We're going to the Facia now. Now that whole structure is done, the ribbon. This is the Soffit sticks out. This part up here. So we need to put a 9 3/4 piece. So it's going to be all cedar. I'm going to label one for 12 for a reason. And I'm going to put this off for dimensions. So we'll do that, and then we'll get 3 half on top of it, and then see this part of the drip that's around it. 112 is here, and all the pieces in 1 extra. Like we have something needs to be done on it. So as you look at it here, see just one side Facia is marked as 5 degrees. I'll still check. Nobody, yeah, I wasn't wrong, but it's covering that. So I thought that might also easy to talk about it. That's 40, just like everything else. It's sloped down, so after 2.5 degrees, maybe some wiggle room. Anyways, I think this is the pool side here. Where you see those, I'm going to have the overhang coming this way, and then the joint edging is on the down there. The joint edge is visible. That's the exact how you want. I'm going to do this side first. Everything else will be easier with 2 people. It's 14 foot long board. You need to go up the put on there, so I just put the up here. Anyways, so I'm just going to set one side onto that, and then come on the other side, and nail it basically. So I nail that one side there. You see these just here, it's sitting on the other side. Adjust the other side, put down, you get just right. The end is because this is also top 3 inches, so you can put 3 inches and double 3 inch drip edge. What I'm thinking of, and then the double edge is make sure you don't push this up to this edge right there. Otherwise, this part of the short edge is just straight out. Then one, I mean, so just take it out. So I'm just whatever. I'm just going to put this, and then push up the board to meet that level. So that we get on this end here. It's close to it, straight across the doors. I'm going to the corners to the lower side, equal on the side. That way it's really close. I also just do this all in, just in case there's any, if you have to load it, if someone's like, oh, it's pushing it, it's flat, you can just, one more on the other, it's so long, it's just semi-placing it, works slowly down. Okay, so I'm mostly nailed up. I was going to do it. I want to try to do it before. I think I'll first issues, just measure. This last board is about, oh, 3 feet go. So very easy. So I'm going to measure the bottom here, it's like 43, 16. And just a double check measurement, measure the top, just on the 16. And then check, just have to edge over here, see anything, it's working, anything out. That's good. Here, see the little Facia up here on the back. We work, switch in front, elevation 2, look better. Let's see if we can I'm going to work on these side sections. I'm going to do this later out there. 2 pieces of range, find the best elevation pattern, I think that matches. Essentially, I'm going to this spot. I'm not going to do it. We can try structures. Not the best one. So I'm going to do it. These are just factory edging. It's a little bit of just have a edge. We can do it. I'm going to square off. Give us a measure at 2.5. See, I'm supporting the following measure. So I'm going to 54 to 34 inches. I'm still going to it's square table. Instead of 2 so I've done 2 corners here. I think this is all right. Get a little difference in the wood, but this is the one. So I guess enough. Right there, I can do it. I'm going to try to do that. Complete all the 90 quarters. I'll turn it around. Now we're on the 3.5 inch. So just about that, and then the joist is about this. You can see a little 3/4 inch. So we're going to take a little letter top of that, so down the fascia. What kind of easiest is to use the market. That's such an easy one. I've been finding a ladder, working this side, the ladder, this side, moving the ladder around. Topic hard. It's also easier. So just on the roof, leaning over, and it's more like that. Yeah, that's what we'll do. I'm going to do this. See all around here. Corners. See, it's going to be inside is about 2 inch opening right here. And the reason there's going to be soffit ones here. And then you get to soffit, I'm going to be 3/4 inch. Water goes into 2 inches, having still room there. Still room. Got some here. Temporarily got the drip edge, just to get what it's like. Here, we'll just strip it up. But you can see that's how it's close up. See, that's beautiful rain on. Even system is in the see a lot of see fine on. See that. See the colors of the water out and drip down. And also use the fridge right there. You can get on there, put it here, and it has the tissue drip edge. I guess I'll do this. EPDM. So it's close to 100 pounds. I totally overnight. It's just out here. Just have to shoulders. I'll over. So I go this up. And we're going to open something down. One a little bit. So then we'll be a little bit faster. I'm looking out there. Just try it out. A little. See this. The roll. See I'm trying to. I think it's where it's going to be staying in the corner. And then roll it that way. I'm going to roll it so I'm going to roll the size of 100 pounds. Really, really, 18 feet, 20 feet. So I'm trying to unroll it. It's rather than much. And then something here. Get all out. And I said just relaxing. That's pretty good. Here's going to get this. Let it sit on the sun. It's going to be warm. A little more Bible. Just some of it. That's it. It's going to be pretty out. That's a little bit. Just a line of it. Very things. Down. Lose them for a while. What we're doing is taking a stick and starting just going out. We're just stretching all the way. And having the sun as well. Happy fun. It warms up. And a little longer. So they're going to do 30 minutes. And all the 30 minutes for more pieces. I'm going to do this. But I've got places where hard to get them. So change the finding those ingredients. So it's taking pretty good. Just stretching out. If I do it, pull back. And glue down one side. Glue down the other side. The tacky twist is not going anywhere. So that's pretty. That's sitting on the sun a little bit also. Just keep it warm. Start the images. Please start now. Nothing was anywhere. It's on a cream color, but it dries clear. You should be able to. It's got sticking right here. It should be liquid without this. Pretty close. Just a little bit. Something like where it's taking on. This is a little complicated. Start from the edges here. Kind of start rolling it. When you're liquid, when it's too far to reach. It's still looking back. There's the easy out. These back rolls. Back and forth here. This is all down. You have 18 feet this way. 50 feet. So I have 100 to 5 sections. I'll use myself. Chop on here. Chop on the middle. And also chop lines on there. So I know where. So I keep on where to do up to. And I'm going to almost over the side. Bring over here and I this way. And then bring over here on 5 foot feet. There's a second third. I'll go down here. Here's something all the way down. I'm going to look by the end of the box in. So just start. And as we can see, I'm going to push out. Nice push out. A little angle. Push to the sides. Stretch from the middle. See if we get so far. And then this last bit. This last part is quite a bit more overhang. EPDM. So there's 5 feet left. And there's 7 feet right there. That's why I extra like everywhere. So we go more with the chalk. 5 feet. I know how hard to lose almost. Here. Just remember where you're doing. That's the usual. Like a ladder in this corner. I'm going to paint over there. Turn up the window. Back to EPDM. These lines. Up here. That's the last bit. Let's go. Paint off here. It's still wet. It's clearly already dry. It's boxing periods. Right now, yeah. And I'm trying to just like easy to glossy. Just kind of yes. Just over that. I'll use a little more dry. See this. See this. Same thing. Just like see around. That's still kind of moving here. All this dry. Still versus. I'm trying to go here. Here 6. I'm going to come off. I didn't come off on here. He's push from. Feedback it rolls out pretty good. That's pretty good. 6 inches. 9 inches. Some at a time. I'm just enough for you to push. And support back like this. Actually, I push out as I push in, so unroll also. Just keep it line the other way. Alright, let's just hang over. So the pieces I'm starting to get. There's a door over here, so we cover it now. Just a solid seal around and frosted glass. It's everything on the hinges on one is. So we'll see afterwards the jam. We'll do a laser. Walk through the top jam. Everything. I'm just switching. But you can touch on it. Test the hinges, everything. On the bottom is tracks. So it's nice that you're one. You'll handle the main system there. Selling. Side jams. Actually, cut to 5 and 8 actually 1 6 3/4 inch. 5 inch. Top jam. Double layer. These joists are a little bit warped. I decided to put in the warp out a little bit. Or line up so that it's not getting the warp in the door. Nothing. That's the just mess the hinges. That's the last thing I'm not trying to carve inside the door. It's walking in, a little bit trying outside. Sit up, here's a track on the bottom, two sides, and the building here. Temporarily take all the all stay out on the walls of the building, siding everything on here. You just use that as a reference. So this is the strapping, so it's going all the whole building. It's more fun. And then the siding attaches to it. I'm sure it's parallel, now square. Because the door can be skewed this way, either one side or both sides, or if one side or both sides, this way, square, and the whole thing can be square or skewed parallel. And additionally, you have to get it level this way, so it's this way, and also not skewed, so this one straight, and the other side, this side can be also has to be 3 dimensionally square, so that I can push a little bit in there, and take that bow out of it, and that'll be just a little bit exercise to 2 places, but then straight out. Next square is level. Also, see if you roll them. So it's just out here. Out here. I just want to test it so I set it here. Now I push it to the top of the jam. Just the bottom of everything goes. Just here. And then put these handles on it. Which is good focus. But it's this. I'm doing the protector. It's down. It's going to be screwed in. I found it more than before. I don't know what it's not actually correct. They do have a so we had the door lined up as would be so the door swings away. That's the way it is. Make sure you have the pin up. And it's going to open like this. So it's very nice. But top part layout. Just off in here to the door. And then what I want the door is to sit as a bit exactly the way it's supposed to be. So we get all these stuff. All hinges lined up here. Just get the metal here. Use the doors in there. Same here. And we just another possible because the cost combination of hinges. You just there's enough real enough at the top and then enough at the bottom so they'll clear the bottom. As you get the bottom just a little bit more, just because the way the doors are pull down inside the space, so it's a little bit extra. So I think it's close enough when we talk about that. I'm going to do the doors. Just I said from there. So let's see. Put the top. Just find the bottom. So take this way outside. So something mark there. That's right. Mark up here. So I'm going to use the jig and I forgot something. Door to the jam. So I'm going to have to just by hand around. I'm not going to pull. You can see enough. Just swirl the chisels start by hand. So, but anyway, see what I'm careful. Running. So I pre-drilled myself after I pre-drilled also. And I have to probably line up and come off with this. It's not great. Once you see things like useful. I'm going to start swinging these in. Just make sure the door can close. It's all hands in there. It's free swing now. It doesn't say any place through this level. It's not the wind. We say that we swing back direction. And then she closes. So I got a big wheel on top for it. Yeah, pretty even. It's a little close up here. You can see this is swing a little crazy here. You see this where you just put your doors all up here on top and back here. So you can see where the screws are. 3/4 inches. You put this where you want to stop. All here. It's already built for this. It's not more just like that. Oh, here's like a little screw top. There's a slow speed. It's here. I'll go down to it. So he's gonna trace the line here with a break the knife. We'll get these chisel. He's gonna hammer this off like this. My hand. Thank you much. It'll hard to see, but so just more step there. Super, just pull down there. See? Inside here, push it really close. You see the doors in there, and then just put a leg on here. It's not like that. Center line there. I'm going a little bit. I'm going to hammer it down, flatten it here, and I'm just more side out. Just like that. I got one right in the middle. Outside here, still. I'm going to do this. Then adjust the force outside. Just locking, filling everything up. Clothing. I'm going to see. It's not quite, but it's the same thing. Straight around this is more this straight leg or straight leg. Just put it right by 3/4 and straight around, pull out and more out. So it's I have more teeth. It's a little too much. So make sure it's doors all down. So close there. Here it is. I'll stop in place all around there. Stop all around. Strapping and signing on the nails. Flush the edge here. I'm going to put casing on here. Casing on top and the other side. And then there's a flashing wheel. It's going to sit on top. And it'll be underneath the siding. And then this part, the edge will go top. Okay, casing. The LEDs, the LEDs, the LEDs, ready to those on the edge and see everything. Normally put the bed and 6 inches here. I'll leave this. Super nail the LEDs and the LEDs on the pictures. Cheers, cover. Since I think we're trying to put it in the corner, camera, so you can get the pockets and the go to the picture. You pop it in the but and then this is going to be first marking at 2 inches. First, we get the chart. Scissors here. Full switch on the cut. Easy. There's 16 inches, but I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. I'll probably find that. Doesn't matter. It's all facing now. Sitting right now. It's fairly out. Okay, this is going to go. So 16 feet. It's going to be okay. 2 left over before this. I'm going to let it overhang. I'm going to down. We can see overlap, and then 16 inches. Cut it. You're down there. Overlap. Cover here. Bend it down. It's underneath. This is overlap. So we right over. We go down this, and then you actually push this up. Push this up enough. That's it. It's underneath. It'll be covered. That's underneath here. And I'll push it up. Maybe out. That's again. All of these. I'm going to do stuff. So I'm going to cover this. I'm going to just know where 50 just like that. That's going to go back. That part of the top is what's out the ring. There, I like to be able to run in and down. I'm going to follow this like a metal bend. And then that makes it down. So the top is going to go down. Okay, and also the beef. The other one is what you need to do before something is out is to mark it here where this one is going to be all down the river. But it sits down on it. And it's put it down between the side and the other side. That's perfect. That's pretty big. Just need to relax the low side of this one first. Into it. See down. Get it. When you're going to put it down. Remember the trim is about 3 inches. You have to forward. Bring it back. Okay, do that first. Stand right there. Here. You go like this out. Take this edge on here. Now we just clean it. What is this? Gotta get all your stuff. Over here. Enough to hold in place. I'm going to take a pattern. The eye is sloping this way. This is going to nature. Put it down. Let me just get this off. Sit down. So grab this corner. This corner. This corner. Side by side. This is the way it's all done. That corner. Let's switch. What do we do? I'm going to get it. So we want to see something like this. Some piece in here. So we right now. There's one on top. Corner overlap. Overlap. Corner overlap. Overlap this. Straight piece right here. Going here. And there's one underneath that first one. Overlap this one. So start with the orange. Kneel down. Where's the top of the unit? He's on that way. Let's go in. Pick up the nails. Smooth out. Left field wear. This is position. Done. Finish it all. See, so try to expect too bad. What we're looking for. That's all. So done here. Not too bad. Let's see what we do. Let's be happy with this. First time, so probably this much better. The first time we're doing a EPDM roof like this, like this. Maybe what it's like. From around. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of the green board hang out there. 3.5 inches, about 3 inches of drip edge, 3.5 of the wood below the fascia, and then the EPDM was about 2 inches sort of hidden. Overall, not too bad. So that way. So the roof is all done. Then do the inspection, and finish off siding, and then do the final inspection. Ring right now. You can see. I can see how the ring is coming outside. You can see that little flip. You can see out the way. It's a little stop. See what you can see here. You can see where the down and coming out all the way. Get the inspection done. Today included that for the roof and everything. It's not starting on the side. So I'll show you how the factory with the door. So it's going to be this 3 inch striping all around. It is that separation from the screen here. See the separation from the wall. You'll circle here. Then underneath it. And there's a siding surface on top of it. This just usually very straightforward. Next thing you move. Just keep it dry. And the strapping on 16 inches on center. Signal around putting some of the door. You double or two. Go back for the other one. You just start to try out the side and see how it is. Some of the other. I just tap it in. So I'm just going to run up to the lid of the door here. I'm going to run the other side now. Go from the level. So the level. I'm trying to get the nail pattern. It's the same. Then what you do the bottom one. The bottom one is flat. So it's going to the big part of it. And then each one is after that bar. That's right. And you see some way. So you dry the it's right here. It's right here. But down the way for the top. So it's going to get down. He's just sitting on top of the strapping. So what I did was, the instructions went 2 inches up, and now if you put it up, and from here, it should be 1 down. So I did just 2 inches up, and then 1 from top onto there. So I'm going to this. And then it's going to be put it. You might have to keep explaining what it is. Bring in these. Keep straight. And then that's enough. Hold on. Put it in. Line up here. I'm working inside here. Off edge. I got to do anything. 2 or so. So I'm just trying to elevate it, try to go a level, or level across. I just decided to, I know the top doors level. I measured it. I just measured it down the side. Every one of these lines lined up. I just mark it down. That's good. I'm going to work down back. So I'm only nailing the top nail. There's a little bit of gap. The next one under there. I just keep it flush. You can see the line over here. I'm just working out the just seeing that line. I just have one of the 5-foot full boards. That makes up here. You can see how this will. I'll just see how that fits that. And I'm going to look at level. Piece of fit here. See it there. It's probably necessary. It's a little almost half an inch. I'm going to go over there. Take this all and just rip it length. That's enough. Right down here. To support the other support. I'm just going to place. There's actually here's the full board. So this will sit down here like all the other pieces I'm doing. I've got this joint here. Facing up here. Covered. Flashing. It's not in the instructions. We can log in for this. So it's a little bit of measuring to get working. Because you have to see. I've got the what are you starting out? I have to measure up for the casing. This is underneath this. Top casing. So it's under like this. As you get to the last row at the top, I have to rip it length. Take it here. So the boards are 7/4. And we have 5 inches or so. Piece of 4 inches. Just up here. I got some. I'm going to play in there. I measure each one of these joists. Just make sure the 4 around there. I'll show you. We're going to do that. So you go all on the edges. As you do on perimeter and start going into the joists are. You get the through siding, through siding. We're shooting 5 minutes. I go with the joist. So I think of the best way to do it. I just kind of this line first. We're going to go all around. We're going to measure pretty level. So 12 on that side, 5, 12 by the time you get ready to circle. Then you're around to off a little bit. Last time you have one over here, and then run it over that way. And then do it. Kind of idea here, maybe mark off. Just tap in place. And then this one have 2 points right here. It's that side like I'm going to do. And then you just level the pretty sure it's straight. And then this way. Use a few level. That corner. See the level so you can see the side to side. You tap in just temporarily. Then over this side. And use the long 6 levels. Measure level there. And then temporarily in there. I'll measure this level across the level ends. And then start each one of these. Just right here. Make sure I have that level first. Row. But when you go through, not trying to crack really here. These way after that is the pre-drill all. There's all here. Down this long line. Far side. There's or the side. That's going to be corner. That's what will make this vacuum folding. I'm going to go right here. It's stuck down to the stuff for it's stuck down to the carpet and a little piece of just put it there. Vacuum set the triggers on that and then my over the side. Just after that, while you're on the other side, I got the software board. So I'm cutting that one. I can use board. It's one board all around. It's not consistent level. So my what I made is really good. That's good. That's the pattern going. This is the long piece of side. Feel free to start supporting them. I see that. Definitely one going to start this one. This is going to be new. So I just clear out and no defects or cracks or anything. I kind of like the variation of some So at that time, one pile definitely maybe and a nose and anything defects or there was defect off the side. It's almost done with the large football here siding it. So you line pretty good. I'll go over there. This corner is 3.5 inch siding all the way up. So screws corners and the other side. Just hammering nails one time. I've done it for 8 hours at least. We have lunch. Since I have to do this, finish all the strapping. So I did all the strapping and this all the time. First cut was right here. So I had to use circular saw and just knock that out. Like 3/4 inch. Trim like this. I'm going to be cut for length beams and also the slight complication. You can see the slope there. So I had to get a piece that I had. So I would take one of these pieces and put it on there and move it along the side of the 8 inch away where and mark that. And all this I can mark where the slope is and then use circular saw for the you may have bowed up or down. So nailing side and I do it in the middle and actually push down like this. And sometimes where it was actually bowed up. People noticeable when I push down and instead of the other end bowed like this. I'm going to sand this a little bit. It's rough already. I'm not trying to say it's I'm trying to get it preferred kids. I don't want to use it. I'm going to pass over it. But 120 years. I'm going to find out if it's smooth or down. I'm going to 60 something just tear down. I'm going to see the study. Right. Just probably the whole thing is enough where you can touch it. So I'm going to read the whole level studies going. I'm going to this further edge. I'm going to using the rough edge. That's just that power framework. It's just so now all the siding's done. That's the long one done. Here. I'm sorry. I'll just trim a little later. I'll casing on the door. Just feeling out in there. This is all. It's done. Just taking my angle down on here. And then on the last one, we're going to short wall. Down so I with that. It's all feasible. This back here, I'm going to figure out the least visible portion of it. So this is the main area. So this corner is going to be the most visible, and then you walk around the other side. This one is visible. This one is walk here, you go in the door. No, this one is trying to figure it out. So see, this will be actually. So it'll be 3 3/4, so 3 inch on the side, and then it stays level. Sorry, with that. And then this side is supposed to be 3/4 to make this and the extra quarter. So I'll go this way. I'm going to put. You pick which one you want. If you do this way, we see the board a little bit. But if you see the seam here going up versus if you go this way, then we're looking at it. Multiple seams on the side. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to bevel this 3.5 degrees, and then this side is going to be one side also has metal. As I mentioned already. What I'm going to do is normally just nail this up and this one. I trouble before, before a little bit. Really hard to do it at 9 feet. Like this. Perfectly flat and a little bit. So what I'm going to do is pre-make it. This is just holding it. I'm going to put this on the screw cover and glue it, and I'm going to get some 1.5 nails. So a little bit. They'll get the ones. Just the nails all together. Glue it all together. One solid piece like that. But the nails is easier to push in the corner and just put it like that. And you can just you're using all this siding. And it's here to be galvanized or rust and ruin the wood. Yeah, I don't have a broken nail so I guess I'm going to do it. So I think I'll put it like this up. But using the corners here. So you see, I nailed it. I just up here and then rushing glue on the wrong side to stay all down. I'm going to glue off everywhere. Nice smooth corner there. I'm going to pick up this one out of this. This side will be most visible. You can pull from the area. So this one had pretty good. Not really bad. This one had little. You can get one on the top of it. Some good. You can sand it out. This part of the main, you know, there's not really easy. You know, we're going to first into that one. So down, right up, 9 inches. The Soffit, 3 inch, so the 1/4, now just a quarter inch, just a little bit short, and then we can see 8 inches short, so it's nice. A little rank, short, you know, it's you know, for the teeth, bevel, one versus the other. I know we use a full curve. The always use the one that's bevel, so it has a slightly further piece over, or a bit over. Line it up, right mark here. Small goes like this, further underneath. And comes to the wheels on the other side, so it's slightly just 3 here. Just enough for that view. That's it. I'm measuring the curve from the highest point is the same distance, same length as the belt piece to cover it, and it's going to slope down the way. So I'll get that as I see if I get the highest point. And so I'm going to do that as much weight. Sign on it to get the something like that to be curved. There's a little bit of glue goes on top here, and then you can use radials glue in place. You can have the 3 inch plus the 3/4 inch. The cover is 7 feet, 3 quarters, 50 square piece like that. I'll never try to do this. So I'm going to try to do it, and practice on first. I think it's not 90 degree. I'm going to that slightly slope. What I'm going to do is put X's, you know, for my custom line. So this is the arrows here. This has guys on it. It's grooves and it's there. Then you perfect. Then you just rubber on the center guard. So you first get your blade across it, and then this is the exact part here. The cover more tight. Exactly where we do. You can see the mark there. This way it's also fitting over this way. I'm just going to stop the So going to be touching on piece here. So the piece is really the piece. This is not perfect. It's really it bulges out the middle here. Pretty well up, just pulling out there. So I got on here. That's enough for the side. So the copy is blue too. Blue out the side. So the nozzle is right up. So it's I'm trying to do that one. Blue around the side. Just slap on here. All the pieces. The other side. Because we want to hear that. Let's do this. I think we want to get in the middle or the middle line of it. But it's not too close with it. Out the side here. These are 2 scales to be careful. These are slightly into the way to get it out of action. Do this straight down. This is the one. This is the corner size. We just want to put the casing on the doors. That's all done. So we finish up the last bit of trim here. People like to stop it. It's actually hard to see, so it'll freeze. So it's out there. You can see the two sides. The way I had was one on top, and the these vertical corners went up, and then it went on there. There. The corners on the corner all the way to the top. This one, it's kind of hard to see. It's blend in. It's right there. What I'm going to do is I'll just stop it there and put nails to it. Put it at the edge. You'll put those also. That's one side. So this side as well. So find that between the top there. And you can see here it's considered that side yet. So we'll cover that. I'll cover that. I think that's what the top there. We have to diagonally rip off pieces. So start working on the soffit, which is the ceiling system here. It's going to run long ways to some board design, but it's going to be plain because it's fairly smooth. It's going to run the long way, so all these pieces are okay. You support it. The sheet is on the edges here. We're going to run this way, not support. For each one of the joists, then we support does not have support. So I put a 2x4 in here. Just nail it equal to, we're going to do one there. So I'm working here. You're going to put the nail to this side. It's the same thing. So there's a lot more. You have to do individual soft side support. So working on this side, so you can see the difference here. You already see this is soft support. And this edge, outside beam, so that has support. They run this way. There's none there. So we run the long pieces, and then we can cut out, and then transition small pieces all the way down. Same size, and then the other side. And it'll turn back into your full length. And on the inside, we set pieces of the beam divided here. So I'm going to do here, line them up so they're parallel. And it's actually staying all, but it's around half the time. All around. So I did and what I did was sand it. We took 1 bit. That's my beam sand it right off, and then apply this position. So that's it. That's the next part. It's the same thing. As well. So put that on. It's going to take 5 minutes. Like this. Same down again. 220 here. Bumps. We're going to do raise the range. You do condition. I do watching. Same. So that's we have to do it and sand it. You can so far. So it's right here. I'm going to put in the reset slice. You know, pretty good. So it's right here. Doing that here. Then you put it around there. Then we go something the same as this one. But what I do is depending on the same just stinging. Just wait. Just stinging the fascia here. Just to go while we build. Also going to color. So look up here. Hey, under the strip here. We have enough to get it down. Get the fascia. This fascia. This fascia. It's the fascia here. And the inside. You see, it's soft. So you can see as well. Because there's a different block here. And it's like having to here. So you don't need to say much. We're sorry, fascia. Soft. When you go in here, I just want to finish the same. See the down here. So dry. Whatever. Other side is dry. This is the same using. It's one of these. Use a 4 side. Just like I'm not using. So it's going around. So transparent. And actually, this. I mean, like I think. I'm using transparent. The same brand. So a lot of time you're trying out. You're trying to get the right color. Just mark. You come out of them. They're same different brand. So it's nice round with like mesh tone to it. So they're totally outside soffit. And see what and I do it from the inside. So just try to find a way to do measure the lines, line up, and go inside. So you can see it. Otherwise, you visually. So when you take the right beam there meets that soffit, is you take that length, and then with this likewise, so that you put it out there, line up, line up. Also, if you cut the size, it's only I think they're like 105 inches or so. And you get 100 inches off. And then more inches off. 4 inches off. There's plenty of room. Likewise, and also need to yeah, that's it up here. I'm going to mark here. The joist is right over the box. I'm going to mark the other side. So make sure it's line up. This is the thing. I got 1/4 inch. Yeah, so I got like 8 inches size. I just want to go easier. There's a little bit of a boat. But in the middle, inside, but in the middle, the work on the side, and then the side. So the first rows, just feel after this row. So you bend it down anyway. Actually, it's going to so you try to find some way. You can get it try to use it. Click here. You see, it's playing. It's playing. Once it, so I will sand the finger. This is the sand down. So use the vertex sander, 5 inch, start on 20, and then 50 down to 20, and then I put the board. Use the wood conditioner to make sander down to watching. I'll sand down to 20 again, and then sand it, and then using the C15. That's like outside, but it's also. So it's up now. Turn the corner. Continuing on that side. So I got this angle there, and then speed up. Full fan. See over there. So I outlet. So then comes into here. It's a little adjusting. Just bring all these small pieces out. That's where a little bit of transition. I'm going to finish. Just make sure this is all the way down. is all finally complete after I think 2.5 months or something, 3 months maybe. But I also had to do the inside. That'd be a separate video where I did the sauna inside the building. Just getting a quick walk through here. Everything that was done. So you can see all the soffit completed, trimmed. There's, didn't show up, but there's, it's hard to see. There's 3/4 inch. You see the 3/4 inch trim here. It's all around. That goes everywhere. Some electrical work that was done here. Electric heaters. This was all completed, and I actually ended up, just because I didn't like the look of those really rough sawn, so I ended up planing and finishing all the beams, which was a huge chore. I like the look of it. It's under this finished area, so it should be fine. I ended up staining it the same way. The posts were all finished, stained. Actually, the original plans came to cover all the posts and the beams with cedar. I ended up just leaving them rough this way because I kind of like the this rough look of the exposed brackets. So we did. But I said everything else is finished off here. All around here. Overhang is for the sauna. This would be another project I started working on. Was grass couldn't grow anywhere on here, so I'm going to end up putting artificial turf around here. So I ended up putting these concrete blocks. I made my own 3x5 pavers here, so they'll be artificial up against the garden here, and then all around there. It's kind of hard. It's in the sun right now. You see the door was all stained. That was another set of work. Electric's all set up in here, so interior lights, and then the it's hard to see here with there's lights separate for the interior and the exterior, just in case you're doing anything different. Haven't put a fan in yet, but I'll put the fan, and then the heaters are set up on timers. Probably make another video of that, showing these are dual, or so I wanted to be able to switch them off, so they always be off, and good having a timer so that they never can't be accidentally left on, and they're dual element, so you can actually control the elements separately. Again, that'll be a separate video, but these are these infrared heaters up there with the dual element. And another video, will be the creating this sauna. So I ended up putting a wall here, some extra storage up for cushions. So I ended up putting this wall outside, and then finishing the inside here as a sauna. So again, this is a whole nother video. So it took a long time doing this. Had a gap in between the filming, but was able to use a lot of the extra panels. So this is the tongue and groove look of the soffit, and the opposite side is what looks like the siding. So I had almost 3/4 of this room up from the ground up. Was able to do it, and then some of the extra pieces that I didn't use for the wrapping the posts and the beams, ended up milling them myself just to match this. Wasn't too hard to match. I ended up doing that. So that's all that, and then this is all pieces that I was able to use that I didn't end up using for the post and the beam. The door separate. I had to get some 2x4 cedar come together. Anyways, just for the regular build, it's all done here. That was pretty much it that I didn't show. Again, finishing these off. Everything else was shown in the videos. So it was a great learning experience. Also a lot of fun, a lot of work too. I was exhausted from it. this video, just decided to do it at night just to kind of show a little bit how everything lights up pretty well. You can see the heaters are running. Putting off pretty nice heat here. They cover, it's hard to tell, but they cover kind of off at about 30 degrees or so here. So directly under it, and then at about, I can feel it just about the midway point here. And I can feel on this side as well. So they cover up. And then the same thing out to the edges here.